So we've been in Italy for 10 days now, and one of the things that keeps coming up on my searches for things to do is to drive the Amalfi Coast, and that's what we're just about to do. We're staying just a little bit south of Amalfi and headed there now. I've looked online, it's described as the most beautiful drive in the world, but at the same time some people are saying it is the scariest drive in the world too, so we're about to find out. I do know that the roads are very narrow, windy, and you're driving along cliffs on one side and steep drop-offs to the sea on the other, but it looks beautiful. So that is the plan for the day. This is the calm before the storm. I think we've been on this nice, flat, straight road for the last little while, but that is about to change here very soon. Just getting into the Salerno area, and I think the drive is about to begin. Here's our first tight turns. So far, so good. Well, so far, this has been a lot of fun. Like being on a roller coaster.
Except you're going from side to side instead of up and down.
Yeah. It is definitely some tight driving here. The oncoming traffic, especially in the towns. Oh, here's our first bus passing. Two of them. Good spot for it to happen, that's for sure. Look at this. This is crazy. It'd be fun on a straight bike. Those mirrors there come in handy big time. Oh man, how awesome. Oh, we're going into a tunnel. Best view I've ever had from a stoplight. Oh, that was some tight, man. How about that for a view? Found a spot to pull over here for a minute, but man, what a drive this is. Calf muscles are getting a little sore from shifting so much. I want to get the drone up in the air here. It is a little bit windy, but I want to see if I can get some shots from above. This is the car, by the way. The Fiat 500X, and it has been handling the corners perfectly. So a couple of things before we continue on you should know. You should definitely do some research on this place before you drive it, but this time of year isn't too bad. There's not a ton of traffic. I've seen footage in the summertime where it is chaotic here and it can take hours to get through. Still is going to be probably over 2 hours just to make a 50-kilometer drive, but it is a lot better than what I was expecting. And even having spots to be able to pull over is not an option in the summer, so that's nice to be able to take a break along the way too. And we start again. Look at that beautiful blue water there. This is the first city we're seeing on the drive. This is the city of Maori. Nice looking town here. Oh, somebody's got a broke down beetle here. Tight these buses are here. Holy. That would be a crazy job, being a bus driver around here.
Oh my Lord, that's beautiful.
It sure is. It is just gorgeous view after gorgeous view here. For this place now. Not quite sure what town this is, but it is quite the sight to see here. This is Amalfi. Even in the off season, it's still pretty busy around here.
You want to go there then, don't
Do I?
you? No, I don't know.
I don't think so. That was the first kind of white knuckle experience of the drive so far. You could just reach out and high five the bus drivers as they go by. They're so close.
Woo, Lordy.
It's actually a bit of a workout.
Yeah.
Doing this. It's a mental workout too. You gotta like
Be on it.
you gotta be paying attention, and there's so many things to look at, you just can't really like. Hopefully the GoPro's getting some good stuff so I can check it out later. These bridges, they gotta be brilliant. Some of them. Aren't getting too dizzy watching this video because it is crazy windy on these roads. Oh man, we're getting up high here now. I think we're at about the highest point above the sea we've been so far. It's quite a ways down now. I think we're just about out on the other side here. A couple of more kilometers of turns and switchbacks, and the trip will be a success. Well, we've made it. Just got to Sorrento, and what a drive. It is the day after, and we're on another really beautiful drive heading to the east side of Italy, but what a drive that was. The Amalfi Coast was crazy cool. It was an adrenaline rush for about 3.5 hours straight. I highly recommend you do it if you're at least somewhat of a confident driver, although I think I would avoid it in the peak season. I think just the amount of traffic would take the fun out of the drive. And if you do it in the summertime, there's also a license plate system. So if your license plate ends in an odd number, you can only do it on odd dates. This is just for rental cars, even on even dates. So if you're deciding you're going to do it and you can, I would highly suggest doing it in the off season. It was just awesome to do, and it feels almost like an accomplishment once you come out on the other side. So that's it. That was our drive of the Amalfi Coast.